I am not a financial advisor. These videos are all meant for educational purposes only. All Complete Trader Academy videos are my personal opinion and perspective. Trading carries a high level of risk, and all results are your own responsibility. Please always demo first. Hey everybody, welcome back to Complete Trader Academy's daily review. Today is Tuesday, May 9, 2023. So we got this small range day again, which I figured. And what we did is we came up and we came down initially in the day, came in to take out this imbalance that I was mentioning yesterday. Please watch yesterday's video so this makes sense. Went right to it and then treated that as a demand area and took the buy up to take out liquidity in the middle of yesterday's candle. Let's go into a smaller time frame here. Let's go to 1 hour real quick. And you'll see here, that's yesterday's liquidity I'm talking about. So took this buy yesterday and price came against me, which was fine. I did partial and came against me. That's fine. Knew I couldn't trust it. Wasn't expecting to. Expecting the deeper retrace, which I got in the previous video on Friday I mentioned. And then yesterday we left this imbalance between the day. Price came right down to it, 7, 8 in the morning, then 9 in the morning. Sure enough, took the buy up to take out that liquidity. Happy for that and was done. And we still have, we peaked up with this 10 o'clock candle up into that hour imbalance. That was a good sign to be done. And we have CPI tomorrow. So, you know, we ended up consolidating the rest of the day, and which I figured we would, and we did. So now we're sitting at an equilibrium pretty much. You're sitting in between support and a resistance. So I expect both of them to be taken out, both highs and lows. But they brought the price back up. Doesn't look good here for bulls, that's for sure, though. But at the same time, they might jam up the price to get up to that high and to tap that daily imbalance that we've been looking at for a while. Let's go into a smaller time frame. I'm gonna go straight to a 1 minute. Actually, no, 15 minute. So you can see how I caught this trade. And you'll see, let me open this up. So you'll see here that, okay, we have that target up there. We took out liquidity here. We got into this daily imbalance sitting right in there. Price broke up right above that high. All right. Then came back down, and then we waited for 9:30. Told the group 9:30 that the price was going to come down, take out a 15-minute low. And you have that imbalance sitting right there. Taps it beautifully, and automatic buyer. Stop loss underneath the imbalance. I didn't need to go this low because if it was any lower, I was probably in a wrong trade. But tapped right in beautifully, took it right straight to the liquidity and was done. We go into a 1 minute. And you'll see here, 1 minute time frame, that we were playing in here. Took liquidity out again, now started breaking up. Now, if you were awake at this time and caught this trade, this would have been my trade. I would have took this trade here because I'm at the bottom of a daily imbalance, so it's no problem. But we got some more order flow, and then you could have took an entry here, but I just wasn't involved. I was waiting until 9:30, so price broke up. We got the order flow we need. And then at this point, I'm waiting for a retrace to take some liquidity and then rush up, which we did right there. Can't miss that. And then took off. You had another opportunity right here, but was difficult to catch. Be better on a 10-second, but could have took the entry right there. But you had a big stop loss, right? But the framework is still there, right? And then price came back down again into this block right here. You could have been a buyer as soon as it popped up and retraced back in. Could have been a buyer there, and that was it. The rest of the day was very ugly, consolidating, and yeah, left it right here. So and then as far as it, you know, hanging underneath the open, This is the open of the day here, and kind of bouncing around. So as you see it, right? But other than that, that's pretty much it. It was a super easy day for me because I was done at 10 o'clock. So other than that, we can go, let's go to a 15-minute real quick. Again, CPI news tomorrow, so market is a little stagnant right now, which you expect Monday and Tuesday to be in a way. You know, I got my targets on the top side, right here and here. And then as far as the downside goes, I can delete this. And let's look at the bottom side. Obviously, you know, my bigger range bottom side is down here. So I'm expecting it to come. I mean, I'm not saying all by tomorrow, but that's the flow that I'm looking for. I had mentioned that I was looking for price to do this. On Friday, I made that video. Said I wanted the price to do this, pretty much. That's what I'd like to see. I know that, you know, time, you know, I'm totally guessing. I mean, yeah, it's what I would like, but it doesn't mean it's going to happen. But go to a 4-hour. Let me go to a 4-hour here. And you can see how my logic is being thought, but we'll see. It all depends. Do we end up taking out this high is the question. And then as far as the dollar goes, so the dollar broke above that high, closed bullish, right? Well, not closed, but it's bullish. And we're at a support area, which can it break through with the dollar or not? We do have this gap sitting there on the dollar. So the question is, do we reach up for that? And I'm going to draw that now just so I did it. Oh my God. I got to be so difficult. And then let me just change this gap. All right. So the question is is the dollar going to go bullish or bearish? I mean, with what's coming out soon, I mean, it should go bearish, but I just feel like they're going to, you know, the price is still going to jam up. We are at a support level. So, and we have some liquidity here. Got some imbalances in there. And this is the daily. We got a gap right there, which I'm not thinking that extreme to tomorrow or anything. I'm just talking. But I can see the next candle opening up, retracing, which will push us indices up. And then the dollar goes strong up, which would push us down. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. So we'll see how it goes. Other than that, you got the 4-hour imbalance right there, just plain sight. And then down here, you have a massive one as well. So, you know, it's not completely closed or anything. So it's going to be very interesting what we end up doing. But that's pretty much all I can say. Going back to the daily real quick. And I'm just going to delete that now. But we fully closed this imbalance. We got one up top here and we got one down here, right? So this is the range of where I'm looking at now. So do we just come down and not take that out? I don't know. So you're going to have to watch Asia and London and all that. And hopefully it makes sense. So, all right, you guys take care. Until tomorrow, I would be very nimble and take your trades pre-market. Otherwise, just wait for after them to do their thing. You know, around after 2:30, you'll see some more structure, and then get involved there. All right, take care. God bless.